In this video, we will review how to add and subtract decimals. Step 1. Line up the decimals to make a decimal wall. Then, attach zeros as placeholders, add or subtract, just like normal, and then bring down the decimal. So let's start with example 1. First, I'm going to make a decimal wall. This is the place where all the decimals will go. So we'll start with 16 and 75 hundredths. Then when I write 5 and 91 thousandths, the 5 goes under the 6, the decimal goes on the wall, and we line up each number, 0, 9, and the 1. Now because the first number has an empty place in the thousands, we can attach a 0 there. And then we add. 0 plus 1 is 1. 9 plus 5 will give us 14, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. And then we bring down the decimal. So all the decimals are on our vertical wall. 6 plus 5 is 11, carry the 1, and 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So our final answer is 21 and 841 thousandths. Let's take a look at number 2. This time we're going to subtract. So I'm going to start by making my decimal wall and writing 29 and 1/10. Now I'm subtracting 3 and 68 thousandths, so when you line up your numbers, the 3 will go under the 9, then our decimal point, then 0, 6, 8. Now our first number is missing digits, so we're going to attach 2 zeros as placeholders. And this is really important, especially for subtraction. Now let's subtract. So because I can't do 0 minus 8, or borrow from the 0 in the hundredths place, I'm going to have to borrow from the 1 in the tenths place. So that will become a 0, making the hundredths place a 10. But because I still need to borrow, I'm going to borrow a whole from there, making that a 9, and then the thousandths place will get the 10. So now we can subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3, 0 minus 0 is 0, bring down the decimal, 9 minus 3 is 6, and we bring down 2. So our final answer after subtracting is 26 and 32 thousandths.